First things first, I apologise for the cable that I didn't notice was dangling in the way. Hello again folks, tech donation number 20. Had these come in yesterday. 3 mystery boxes. Not sure what's in these at all, haven't looked at these. So the hope is there's some IT gold in these. The reality is probably something different. So we'll have a look, shall we? But they're all boxed up with their polystyrene blocks in them. The box is rather faded. So Pete, oh, you want to have a look as well, do you?
Yeah.
All right.
I've already seen enough.
Have you?
Yeah, it says Vista on the top.
Oh, does it?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. All right. Keyboard, Dell keyboard. What else is in there? Keyboard rest, bag. Right. What we got here? It is a Vostro, Dell Vostro 200 with a Core 2 Duo sticker on it. It's got a Vista sticker on it. Oh. Not looking good for the other two, is it? Not looking good at all. So, have a quick look inside. Yeah, oh, well, it's not too dusty. I'll have a quick zoom in on that one then, shall we? Well, it's quite clean. It's a Dell Vostro 220. No RAM, no hard drive. All right, well that's one down.
I reckon their new ones came in these boxes now.
I think you're right, Pete. Right, let's move on then, shall we? So, that's that one. Yes, I reckon the new ones came, whatever they had, the new ones came in there and they thought they'd reuse the boxes. Let's have a look. Another one of those. If you're new to this channel and you think some of the stuff we do is quite interesting, really appreciate your support. Subscribe, give us a like, leave some comments in the section below. We'd always appreciate that. Here we go then. Ooh. If you're new to this channel, we are a computer recycling refurbishment workshop. You're going to walk in front of the camera then, Pete? Oh, you have to duck underneath. We've got Pete in today. He's one of our satellite workshops. Yeah, we are a computer recycling refurbishment environmental charity, part of Scrapstore, or Swindon Children's Scrap Store in Swindon. It's been an environmental charity since 1985. Project Reboot has been running since beginning of 2015, where we get donated computers from local businesses and individuals and we refurbish them and sell on at low cost to people who either can't afford to buy new kit or prefer to buy recycled, which is an increasing thing. Another one of them, Vostro 220. Oh dear, oh dear, oh dear. Why did I take the side off? I know what's in there.
They might take a newer motherboard.
You want the case, do you?
Well, because the hard drive just goes in that thing there, so
yeah. Right, take that one. It's not looking good for this one, is it? Well, what do you reckon's in this one, Pete?
I don't think we'll wager any money.
Keyboard. Oh, the mouse is all right. That could go in our mouse store.
They're Dell, so it'll be a Dell.
You reckon it's a Dell? Oh yeah, it is indeed. Another Vostro 220. So thank you, donor. This will be refurbished. Pete takes a lot of my older dual core stuff. He has a range of customers on a particular budget. So none of this is going to be scrapped. This will be reused. So a second, third, potentially fourth owner. So that's those done. These arrived. X760 terminals. Point of sale terminals. And I said, I don't want them. They've got about 10 of them. I don't want them, I said. Because they're just nothing but aggro. They're old XP bits of old rubbish. But nevertheless, one has found its way in the workshop. It basically has no value. I don't think it does. So that is something else that's arrived. One of our colleagues has been working on that. Meet Angry Bernie. Okay, what else arrived? We've got a box of things. I don't know what. Well, I kind of know what they are. They are thin clients. 10 zig. 10 zig. 5872Qs. Thin clients. I don't know what to do with these. We had to strip these out. We've already stripped these out, and some of these had a 2 GB little SSD screwed onto the board because I had to wipe all them, so I ended up just having to destroy them because I couldn't get into the BIOS. They're all locked. Another one, a 10 zig. You know, they look all right, don't they? But you know, what on earth would we do with them? This is a 6717. Got a box of them. Also got an EEE PC. Nice little. What is it? Asus. Is it Asus? Yes, Asus. XP Atom. I won't even run a media center because it's just not strong enough these days now. What else is in here, Nige? An Acer Beraton. Another thin client. Atom XP. The XP stuff still comes in. Docking station for Toshiba. A mountain of power supplies for these thin clients. That's that lot. That was a right pain to get through that lot. Something else arrived. Yesterday, Netgear ProSafe, a 10100 desktop switch, model FS108. Got 2 of those. Those are boxed and still in their cellophane wrapping. They'll be alright. We quite often get people asking for network switches. So that is that lot. What else has arrived, Nige? This just arrived. It is a big, turn it over, Pete, can you? It's a big magnifying glass.
With a sort of fluorescent tube built into it.
Yeah. Don't know, we might set that up somewhere for motherboard inspection. Something else that just arrived. We get all the good stuff in here, don't we, Pete? Yeah, the fluorescent tube is working. Do we use it? Not sure, because the arm's busted. It's missing a spring. I think it's missing some sort of spring around here because it's all flopping around, that is. I don't think we can do much with that. So, that's it for another week. Another week of tech donations coming in, formerly known as Random Tech Arrives. See you in the next one.
Jurassicom Productions.
Try turning it off and on again.